So the question is to prove that the lengths of the tangent drawn from the external point of circle are equal. See, according to this figure, let's consider this point to be the external point of the circle and two tangents are drawn from here. These tangents are from 90 degree with the circle. This means these both are 90 degree. And these sides are the radius of the circle, so these are also equal. Now consider these two triangles. Let this point be P, let this point be A, and let this point be B. So according to the figure, and O is the center. According to the figure, AO is the common side between these two triangles, and OA and OB are equal as the radius. OA is equal to OB. And AO is common. OP. OP is the common side, and two 90-degree angles are formed by tangents. So using this, both the triangle AOP, triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOP. And now, as these two triangles are congruent, this implies that that side AP is equal to side BP by CPCT. And AP and BP are the two tangents drawn from the external point. Hence it is proved that tangents drawn from the external point are equal sides.